Hello everybody and Happy New Year once again. In this video, we'll talk about the court decision that passed on New Year's Eve that essentially bans the entry of immigrants that have no health insurance or the means to pay for their hospital bills. Welcome to our immigration channel. Here we release videos every single week to talk about immigration news, immigration updates, and the most important immigration information to help you make your immigration journey as easy as possible. My name is Sapochnick and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California, and I help clients in all 50 states. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel, click that bell to be notified so you don't miss any of our videos or our live streams. Also give us the like so YouTube will be able to recommend this video to more people just like you. Alright, so let's talk about health insurance. So the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals lifted a ban on President Trump's proclamation to bar the entry of immigrants that don't have health insurance or the ability to pay for medical bills. The court essentially ruled that that proclamation was within the president's authority and reversed a previous decision by another court to block that proclamation. Just to remind you, 7 families sued the US government after that proclamation came about in October of 2019, stating that this puts extreme hardship on their families and they're not able to immigrate their close loved ones because they're not able to afford medical insurance. This proclamation overrides the Affordable Care Act, which provides subsidized health insurance for newly arrived lawful immigrants coming to the United States. And also the public charge rule, which specifically states which immigrants are eligible to be able to get benefits as long as they meet certain requirements under the public charge rule. And also the public charge rule, which specifically states under law which immigrants can be excluded from immigrating to the United States due to their limited financial ability to live in this country. The conclusion is that this has just happened less than a week ago, and we'll keep you posted as we know more details as to how it's going to be applying to new immigrants that are currently arriving to the United States after their visas have been issued by US embassies and consulates abroad. But again, we're hoping that as we transition to the new administration, we should be getting some new guidelines as to how they're going to be dealing with immigrants that are coming into the United States but have no means to pay for health insurance and other benefits. Now, I touched about the public charge briefly in this video. What's the status of public charge right now? As you recall, on December 2nd, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals issued an injunction prohibiting the government in applying the public charge rule in certain states. This means that USCIS and DHS are prohibited from applying the public charge rule in these states. The way things stands right now, USCIS is still permitted to require the form I-944 on all applications for adjustment of status inside the United States. And of course, we will update you as this regulations continue to change, because we definitely know that major changes are coming in the next few months. Also, it's important to remember that the public charge rule is not enforceable at US embassies and consulates abroad, so people that apply for visas abroad are not required to address issues of public charge as they enter the US. In conclusion, what I think is going to happen is we're going to see more lawsuits challenging the president's authority to restrict the entry of immigrants because of long-term economic reasons. So once again, hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you post them in the comments below. You can also text me right here if you want to set up a consultation with me. I'm happy to answer your questions and help you get your immigration questions answered with me one-on-one. Also, make sure, if you're here for the first time, not forget to subscribe to our channel, click that bell to be notified so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us that like so YouTube will be able to share this video to more people just like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. So if you like this video, watch these 2 videos for more information just like that.